Tell like that. Look into my eyes. Tell like that. Let's say the kingpin of galamsey in this country now is Chairman Wontumi. And I will prove to you this morning. And I'll prove again to you that 54 people are killed by galamsey a day in this country. But you see, the president is heartless. He careless. He doesn't... Look, he will not do anything about it. Watch this. You spend over 400 million US dollars, and you come back to tell me what? That galamsey agin samu. Now watch this. There's a strategy. Almost 80% of all the community mining licenses were issued to Ashanti region. Check the records. So-called community mining. Certificate license, idea community mining, 80%. Ashanti region. Then when I was Ashanti region here, you see Ashanti region so in Sasi. What is there? And this is the time you guys got to sit and think. Mira, the way I near see Kwanwahu, there's a grand orchestration and plan being employed and deployed to work against your integrity and your image. I decided to keep this, but I'll say it. There are some elements within this government who want to bring your image down. I am repeating. There are some elements within this government who are just propagating, catapulting, projecting, orchestrating to bring your image down. I know what I'm talking about. And Kumasi Traditional Council, Asantuma Council, if you don't take this statement serious and you fail to work on it, you will see the repercussions. Kofi? Kofi? What are Jamie? Namenko. Tie. Galamsey. Hey, if you are that here, tra. Me when man motivation. Even as you can go. Tie. Say, what's that galamsey fight now? Yeah, fight now. Hey, artificial. Because listen to me and listen good. Fansa Kofi Asante ewo Kumasi. Oyeminia. Kofi oyeminia no. Minimpa sa Kofi yeminia nti. Sabi eburu sabi enyado oye bibia enya etie yebusia. Inse se meka no madwe yen se oye busuani. Etimi mpesa meka Kofi asem. Na emo no Jude onye yebusuani. Owari yebusuam. Eti yen shada anye Jude scapegoat. This is what is happening in the fight against galamsey. Efiatwe oyoba. Eti fansa efia boyfriend any JB. And a JB a minister. And a school feeding sika akodi efia ho. Insa say JB beka say sika na yedi school feeding no. Akodi be yire ho no JB say dabi. Na bom emma na anu aduane no wonye aduane ni ye. Na yede nete and a tomatoes. Yede dotie and a tonchire. Na yede dotie atonam. Listen now, my president, no, I am saying it here now. Say, Nana do one list no dada. And ya fair no konya. To say the Binu Kofi Kano from the National House of Chiefs and from the MMDCs and then from whoever. Nana do one list no dada. 2020, Adenti, and the 2020 elections, Galamsey Asamina Yejaika. Do you know why? The president wanted to win elections against your health. He wanted you to die. After you have wasted energies, after wasted resources, media houses across the country, everybody. From managing directors to CEOs to programs managers to everybody. We were told to dedicate about 50% of all our programs, tailor it towards the fight against galamsey. No state official, no government gave any financial or any logistical resources to anybody. Media houses came out of the shell to help the fight against galamsey after the government says that they've spent more than $400 million. You spent $400 million in the fight against galamsey, and we're back here to square one. Zilch, crying again about galamsey. It is because the president is adamant, he's not listening, his friends, his family members, his cronies are involved in galamsey to an extent that Wontumi says that the president is in his pocket. Nonsense. And Akoma went to Ashanti region and could not say anything to that man called Wontumi. Why? Because he set up radio stations to help them campaign 2024. Why? Because Wontumi says he gave a lot of cash for the MPP campaign in 2020. Why? Because Wontumi says Danado is in his pocket. Yeah, today, and my producer told me something. A very reputable man in this country called me and said, "Asman, I really love you, and I would not stop listening to you." But I told her, "We hear womododo." I'm so, Papa, Mate. Dr. Kwame Adokufa Kachebe. A lot of people have told me that. But sometimes it's very, very, very irritating. And I mean, the document we told Papa and him. I feel okay, I was go for young Kwasiafo. I'm saying, oh, open what can be? I said, Namada and can be. But today, I am actually guarding myself. And I want to lay the issues bare. Today, I am just taking my time. I just want to lay the issues. I don't want to use any language because I've received calls, emails, messages. So today I am trying. Watch this. The fight against galamsey, Nanado can't fight it. Kufuor was not able. Mahama could not. Mills was not. And then President Mills at the time starting it. Now let me tell you, the first 800 Chinese if we're back Ghana were by 1997. If you care to know, what me do galamsey. None of them can. Do you know why? They are involved. There's a guy called is it Mona or Noma? Onye Ghanani, either he's an Arabian or a Lebanese. He's part of the people Rollins recruited. Ononi nana. Sa papa ne nana. Ewo krom ha. Awaro sofo kakraka bi baba. Ne baba ma. President kura kwasa wedding ni bi. Me modin. No a serious galamsey kingpin. Sa Lebanese ni no. Ne nana. Awaro sofo kasiye bi ba. Ewo krom ha. Ono ebedi ne papa de. No, to galamsey. Rollins' time. Nobody was able to stop him. You know why? He was linked to Rollins. It's the first 31st December Women's Movement. Project our Ashanti region. If you just say, oil palm factory, any Gary factory, that man sponsored that project. Go and ask Nana Kunedu Wajiban Rollins. I got the date, I got the document for that. We are here to save a country, not a political party. What about President Kufuor timer? Shadia, Manson Kwanta, galamsey shall say, oh, Manson Kwanta, now no shit. 2002, where did they have power? I am here, Messi, J. Kufuor, Ofrihin, of Ashanti region. Hey, they cannot. Come to John Dramani Mahama. You're Taboya president. Yay, Taboya president. And a Northern Ghana. Yes, that is here to galamsey or Northern Ghana. John Mahama free officer and here to galamsey was stream in Tibusame. Say, when I am in charge of a stream galamsey here, Mahama and me and your Bisa Prof. Samuels. Bisa Prof. Samuels. So kwa indo ho bekaya 24th December 2010. Mumbisa kwa indo ho on checking the books num. So kai 24th December 2010. Wawa eba ya say you see omu fi South Africa. Omu besisi adan bi. Oh, me refi dan ni din. They had a name for it. Oh, Yesu. Edan no ebe ye hwebuada. Ajiegu yesi ama security officers. Minim samu kaya. Wawa eba sa ankrofo no emu ba ko ka Ghana ha. No to galamsey. Because of that project, they did nothing to him. And in order for media guys say yeah, sad story no. What happened was that Black Star said match Kumasi. Lights they call off. Sa lights they call off no. I am telling you today. I am guarding myself. I don't want to use certain words. Sa lights they call off. Our Shanty region. Watch this. It was planned. It was politically planned. Kwekwa Indo is aware. Everything that was done about that lights out at the stadium was well orchestrated. It was planned. Kwekwa Indo is aware. Obwa. Said that issue will not come out so quickly. Yendumano heads will roll. Den. Pa, that story. Fing. Did you hear about it? The answer is no. Then it gets to Donado. Hey, Ghana for. Now listen to me and listen good. Befia baby atunu hume. Super. Tie. Galamsey kum nipa 54 a day e wo krum ha. It is our president Rollins time na kum 20 a day. Take it from me or leave it. Jeku 4 time and a hop here to 32 a day. Prof. Samuels the time Galamsey that's a free as a major saying that's a free as a major saying that's a free as a major saying and on maintaining 35 and sa. Then he got to John Dramani Mahama. Very well, strategically. On also fighting against Galamsey. Oh yeah, na do can say. So no about power. On bag Galamsey phone jai meboa. Na Mahama ni abre. Mahama sha de din no trase. Politicians no statements bi o ka no calculated. Mahama sha wan sha na do statements no can say oba. Ono on Galamsey no njai na Ghana meburu hia adwuma because it is sika so and e kom de ye no. Ebe hanu ma na lusu election no. Enti pa e na ode betum. Asema na Mahama beka e. Na Mahama beka che Ghana for ina say. Teacher training allowance no obetwam. Se be cost the presidency ni kura onfa ho meboa. Pa and your time so sad statement nim ni e Galamsey issue no to ho. Ni e ken no no the lusu elections. Now to Donado. Mahama, the time, then 38 and a woo Ghana ha. Say Galamsey ekum 54. Now let me give you the practical scientific analysis of the 54 people at Galamsey kum womo every day. I am not saying 1 month. I'm saying every day. Now when you are presenting scientific facts, you take your time. In terms of saying, I am guarding myself not to use certain words. Watch this. Tell me if you are trying to channel. Because I know most of the company and one about. Tie. Galamsey. Amina ebuegum no. Amina ebu mako from 1994. Besi last 3 weeks amina ebugum no. Amina Galamsey amina ebu 1, 2, 3, 900,000, 1,002, 1,444. If you don't know, tell that useless. Sorry. And let me say, be careful. Ebu 1,444, 1,444 times. And amina ebu ekum Galamsey for our Ghana ha. The least one are Enkumukurano, Ekuminipa 17. You remember? The highest one, and the kumo obia and man in kwada na wo ho yina. During Professor Mills' time, you remember, Okwasite. That time, Papa Yobeye Roads and Highways Minister of Mahama time, your friend saying, Idris Afuseni. He was the Minister of Lands and Natural Resources. Ask him. Ask him. Now, Asabiana Pesa Mekano, Pakwesi Aboso. Areas I want bronga half for gold. I will Doma Kahu. I didn't say Doma Yen to Galamsey or Hin dream. Doma Hin in Yansa. Doma Hin, naturally Yajuma. He will not allow that thing to happen. I want the Nimpesuaso. Into Doma Hin say, Sawo Koko Adia Koko. Your sister say Koko Yatum Kwasay 800. Wabra Ivory Coast here importers here 1,002. To some Ghana and them Tim Koko, I mean Tomau. Aya Henry, your friend be sub-regional politics and economic paradigms and patterns. You watch around before you increase or decrease anything. It is a wutum, someone you call 800. Wabra meti Koko no Western region, wana border ne sueni, Ivory Coast bias no ho, omba be 1,002, now the mama 800 me yodai. Makwa koton amamo, Ivory Coast tembiado, Koko production no, ekosro. Ivory Coast galamsey ni ho. It's the whole world reports never say metals wo Koko no, Ivory Coast Koko yesi metal nim, Ghana Koko and a metal wo. Into Ivory Coast will increase their production. And econo, no, them. Common sense should tell our leaders to think. Now watch this. 1,444 amena nipa. Now, Galamsey sites say 2 Check the records from the Ghana Police Service. 999 times. And a Galamsey site, a 2 ato, the least a nipa wuye a 3. Upon bueno time. On the average, say debia a 2 Galamsey site, then nipa 3, and they say wua. 999 times 3, I say. Nipa do send. I want to give you scientific analysis. Bueno, we know baby ajeha. What do you know to China? When it says say death rate, our Ashanti region. I'm going to mention some constituencies. Now listen. Manso enclave nano, Manso Edubia, Manso Keniago, Manso Kwanta. That enclave nano, Owo was so check before. Check it. Doctors and nurses have various clinics for Hoyinano. And Tia said the rate at which people are dying. Not because of malaria, but because of poison. They say that there's some alien chemicals are so cancer-related deaths, skin cancer-related deaths, kidney DNA, liver DNA, heart problems, all that over that area. Now to Busome. It is what I realize here. What do I need to from Busome Mansum Patem, any areas that you two Galamsey in Ashanti region, our 47 constituencies. What a 10 now, a walk Kumasi, Greater Kumasi Frima. Aka 37. 37, no, we you two Frima, 35 constituencies in Ashanti region, you two Galamsey. It's in the Padu Wood is some more. To be able to now watch this. Because of Galamsey, and Suona yen no more Ghana Hano. Ghana water factor and say chlorine 100 times 10 and the good swim treatment. Now, anytime you have excess chlorine, it becomes a negative sodium. So chlorine, because of chlorine, there was some component of salt. Negligible, but they are healthy. So we apply more chlorine. Bam, 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 bam. That's a chlorine component and a content, you know, and increase it above a certain level. It becomes poisonous. It is a no bugan and so now the go back at him. Now the sewer, a dear betino. Now see, I am coal, I am brown. adentra chlorine content no any mercury any cyanide no when they come together one bond no it cannot be as strong as hydrogen bond which is unbreakable but it becomes a certain bond when it enters into your system it blocks your blood vessel because mercury will not allow any fluid baby I do no to your fancy way a tokro mensa way a tokro eti say mercury any contact with this hole mercury will take over or take over no a very small hole for air because mercury without air it won't function properly it is about tokro ha na mercury eja tokro kitwa bi said the bear and from no active properly because mercury it is also known in chemistry that the chemical or behaving like a human being or here oxygen to be able to function and function well. Ask any chemistry master. Do a just small hole. Eti bibibia efebu abano it forces its way through so that you can get as a bema to say me gina hey no makwakofa akwada when you 3 years you would have to force your penis through her small hole. This is what happens. This is what happens. Eti chemicals na everybody nyina no konso no bi. And because mercury is a hard chemical, it is not easy to be broken by water. And nsuo cannot act on mercury. That is why say we have World Chemistry Journal 2020 they about August they are trying to tell you that there is some component of hydrogen bond in mercury. That bond can never be broken. But it is poisonous. It is cyanide, mercury, chlorine, excess chlorine together. Na call system na ekum enti na kokolebu. Kidney, liver, throat cancer, gen cancer, gen cancer. Ne yanum ndro no saa, ne yanum ndro no saa atitim, itim. Galamsey is killing 54 people a day in this country. And to realize here, Whopa Google Ghana's population 2019. Near say 31 million. Me Google. All of a sudden, fast forward 2022. You say 30.8. How? How is that possible? We are 31 million. 2019. What do 2022 are? You see, I can't need powerful from them. I feel that we are 30.8. I mean, please, with all due respect. If you have to go on Mubium, but if you 2019 basis, now who about baby? From 2019, you ja war from be a Mubium. That is the calculation. These are politically motivated calculations. What do you want to say? And so now you're pumping my Ghana water pumping my no. It is not just only say a poisonous. There's something about water. Now watch this. Anytime you drink water which is slippery, and so be a trubiano. What shorting won't come by 10 days. Read about it. There's a book. Alternating. Is it Mesa? Something Mesa. Mirefi. Or say we are not sick. We are thirsty. In that book, or break it down the 7 parts of water. Me call school and me chemistry. My chemistry master was not able, my biology master was not able to tell me the 7 components of water. But in that book, it is there that what won't pass 10 days. Why? Because in Suona a component of cyanide and some other unknown harmful chemicals. It's a core system. It seizes your blood for 45 seconds and allow your blood to flow. Anytime be a umoja This is one very chilled water. A breaking with system no for about 10 seconds. And then professor man no my water. Now let me tell you the scientific basis behind very chilled water or drink. And it's a very cold, chilled, a cold system. What it does is that it stops your blood for 15 seconds. And then approach Europe. Cold water. Why? Because anytime your blood stops, either through depression, stress, or whatsoever, your blood will stop for about 15 seconds before it starts moving again. There are your blood arteries. And then forcing the blood to pump to the heart. The pulmonary arteries around your heart would absorb a certain component, certain percentage of your blood and start feeding your heart. Most of you are coming about and see, one moment so that's the essence. See, as a man cold water, some harmful components na nsuo na yetro no enya core system na sa wo ye be ma the first thing it acts on any will scrotum eye go wo hwam it goes down here before it comes up and ba up until na mema na bebre se wo ma ya se ye oya ummu nsa be ma wa ya se ye oya eno a chese go to manso go to oboase go to bosome fra ho and mema ni na ya se ye wo ya why? Because nsuo na yetro. We are dying. Afei, akunta mines. Chama Wontumi dia. Watch this. Share the mining site, you know. Me catch you and I said, we'll show it. We'll show Wontumi here. I had a Wontumi say no. This is the site of Chaban Wontumi. Our best said, eh? When we saw our say no. You see? Akunta mines. This video originally was put together by the Minerals Commission. This is Akunta Mining Company Limited. And that's the owner. Where? Samara boy, large scale. Large scale, say the eno. When you find large scale mining, Chama Wontumi needs zilch of equipment and here large scale mining. Do you understand large scale mining? Do you know what is called large scale mining? Say the large scale mining. Chama Wontumi mining site, no. And another goes to a certain region and it's returning after it's doing nothing or saying nothing to Chama Wontumi. Ghana for my catch them dada. Yeah, Pamos, Kwabene Japan, Sami Crab, any Paula Foku, said intra, yeah, my party in ye. Yate ase na de all say o man ni momu de yaman international nkwaso say o man if say part no ho hia chen o man no meboa where aya Akunta mines na ya noa ne say na ame ya kan say e na anya yi Nanano ma hemfoi. Madawro manyado. Madawro mebru. Sabia bru. Sabia nyado. Ekuta koto. Kuta asrewa. Ene yesra mo. E mamo ncheche president ntima hunu bia ho. Munya isa ade no. Obi a wankọ ku oni ntam. Wani. Nanano mai madawroma yekuta koto kuta asrewa for the first time ochihene atene that's the House of Chiefs meeting wokumase we will take record yeah chantema na yeah kwa fight galamsey yeah kwa chantema nanano madawroma nyado eni die kwanso obuo kwanso Monana neme. Ya kwa fighting galamsey ya chantema. Nanano madaruma. Sa wo fra okuani. No so wo na fom. Enti ofiefom ba. Obedru wa himfi a. Ofra kenta. Na sa akuani no ofiefom na ba dressing where you fighting galamsey. What said you suffer for space na ye? Etina na ado achi. Mumi sansa asha ho awon. These are fake people. All these guys are fake guys. I'm talking about the politicians, not Nananom. They are fake guys, including Nananom. They are all fake. These are fake guys. Look at him. He doesn't care. You see, sometimes I wish people know what I know. When I catch myself fighting, I'm saying, hey, but some friend who MC. When? On the day I pay the unity. Oh, I don't know. Yes, in the year. It's your own training in the year now. Watch the now I watch the crowd. Pamno. Time and the year. And that from the moon of the unity. Okay. Say, yeah, I can't fall. Yes, I'm your one yansa. Okay. Yamia dom, yesusa. Okay. But you won't yansa kakra. Say, Nipa no na yere no wa wusa fridge bi yakodi na watch that. Na watch that there was wuntimi mpam no. Na mom time na wadi na watch that we ya hye yi a. Ya hye date de be ya yie. Ah oye tuntum se kunani no. Eno na wo koyi na bi. Aya na dwoma na sam. Akufo ado onye because em fa ne ho. Because John Mahama Kase Chebiye Galamsey headquarters. And they will make Ashanti region also Galamsey headquarters. Now pair. Okay. Oh, you guys think we don't know what's happening? Okay. Go and read the Japan documents. And we know it though. But you see, what you mutai or he be any crop ha ni more do chotum for. What I report. Man no more. Oh, he be any Ghana ha, ni more do chance and take it. You can't pitch any chief. All the chiefs, all others are paramount chiefs. He's the only king in this country. You can call anybody a king. Or be able to say a fake. There's only one king in this country.
Captain Smart, the king of morning shows.
This is why I just say, oh, you say ha, say, it's the has to say, I won't what you get it? We know the political strategy. Okay. We got it. Okay. You get it? See. Okay. Galamsey fight, no? Okay. Enjoy. Okay. Mumbusa, former general secretary of my party. When? MPP. Oh, I don't know. Your friend saying, me bra kokoi. When? Kwajusika, your friend saying. Hey. Oh. MPP general secretary of Kwana saying. Oh, I don't know. John Boadu. Mr. John Boadu say. MPP executives do say no ni mo ma na mo tu Galamsey. Okay. Mumusano. Okay. Mumusano. Say MPP for do say no ni mo tu Galamsey. Mumusa the current general secretary Kodia. Say MPP executives do say and what so mo Galamsey. Go and ask the Central Regional Minister. Ask the Eastern Regional Minister. Ask the Western Regional Minister. Ask the Western North Regional Minister. Ask the Bronga Hafu Regional Minister. Ask the Bono Minister. Ask them. Okay. How many party executives have they been told? Okay. Galamsey. Okay. They know them. Let me tell you. Nanado received the list of MPP top-notch people. Galamsey somewhere in March 2022. What did he do? No. What did he do? He did nothing about that. Do you know why? They can import water and drink. How much money do you have to import water? Come to accommodate me as I move. How much money do you? How much money do you have? If you thank you, now you can go. How much money do you have to import water? Whereas the GABs are importing pizza from UK to Ghana. Whereas the ABs are importing pizza to Ghana. How much money do you have to import water? They don't care. Me say, the only way Nanado can prove to me, I don't know you, what you know. But the best thing Nanado can do to stop Galamsey in Ashanti region is to deal with Wontumi. But Nana Addo can never ever deal with that guy. You know why? Nana Addo shed the bottom. So then, obey then obey dealing with Wontumi. See, Nana Addo na appointed Minerals Commission chairman. Nana Addo na appointed Minister of Lands and Natural Resources and their deputies. Some institutions in Mienu Nana Addo na appointed Penifo down on a say. Wontumi needs license, or need certificate, or need locus, or need BBA, over to the mines, mining. About those areas, especially the forest. When I say Nana Addo don't tell you, of course, I tell you what is about Wontumi doing. Hey, or do I say what is about Wontumi because authoritatively, Wontumi say, President is Shani Bottom. Now, how can a 78-year-old man be quite only 50 years bottom? Ghana for Papa only what bro 70 years. Or I don't know question kwada to only 50 years in the bottom. Eti krombe oda enu bottom. Abranti krombe oda enu bottom. Krombe oda enu bottom. Krombe oda abranti enu bottom. Eti ansana Wontumi krombe de dedo esiso de Nana Addo hye no bottom ti Nana Addo hye ho. And Nana Addo beat about the bush. You think we don't know? We know. We are aware. Yes, but we from MC Oyebi. And no this year appointed no me president and come pam side MC na nra nko. Say what say nsuo na president. Ama wo MC na akoye na wabia no wonum bi. Adentan wonum bi galamsey. E na ote ho. Me ye mampani a ka nra na me wo na ti koma na kofi. Now Nana Addo is asking for hardcore evidence. Oh my God! My God! Now, oh, Akoma, I got a boy. I don't have it. Hardcore evidence. Nana, hardcore evidence. Baby, there's no hardcore evidence anywhere. You know what? Hardcore evidence. They say you took galamsey Western region. This is not yet to know. MC war, DC war. Regions not yet to galamsey no. There are regional ministers. So what are you doing? What other evidence do you need? By now, if I were you, regional ministers are yet to galamsey or more region. Ya fire omu ina. Ya start investigate you omu.
Amen.
DC bia. Ya tu galamsey. Ewa umpesu asono by now. Sabi ya wa. Na mani abresa me yo manye sika wia. Aka by now ma fire omu ina. Mama ya chi wo ina. Because illegal.
Onyamene ebuafo.
Ya start investigate you omu. But you know you can't do that because we're direct beneficiary of that. Your Excellency, everything points to the fact that you are a direct beneficiary of galamsey profits. So when you're a beneficiary, why do you leave Wontumi off the hook? You leave the regional ministers, the regime you to galamsey. Yay. You leave your friend saying, MMDC, sir, one more district, you to galamsey. And then Mashada Nyansa so clandestinely. Makwa Kwashe, Minister of Lands and Natural Resources, Abu Jinapo. Jinapo? Ufie hone jato ho asamne yankan wie yo yabeka. Today. Ufie hone jato ho no. ɛhɔ asɛm no yɛnwie yɛbɛka yɛbɛka wie nso
Today.
yɛnim sɛ yɛka koraa obi anyɛ ho hwee but
Today.
yɛbɛka ma Ghanafoɔ ate and it's very important na sɛ wogya ne saa to hɔ a
Ojaye.
na obi apɛ sɛ ɔkyɛ sɛ
Ojaye.
today and tomorrow
Today.
Ghana essay
Today.
today the Ghanaian is crying
Today.
onyensuo papa no
Today.
the teacher is crying
Today.
the nurses are crying the presenters are crying
Today.
presenters are crying
Today.
doctors are crying
Today.
nananom they are crying
Today.
everybody is crying
Today.
first lady chop money so no
Today.
second lady chop money so no
Today.
they are all crying
Today.
you know why
Today.
our leaders are not thinkers
Today.
they are tankers
Today.
and it's a sad scenario that we are confirming that
Ojaye.
the entire country
Today.
is a crime space.
Today.
I found say I confuse between so much kumase.
Pagya wo nsa kɔ soro hwɛ adeɛ.
My page akosroji.
Fa nsa to hɔ.
Me de ato hɔ.
Thank you, Lord Jesus.
Amen.
Amen.
Amen. Na ya nya ne sa ebe hadwe. Me nua bra me ntɔn ne nkɔ bra. Mam kuta